by the words Heisman Trophy winner. Without further ado, the winner of this year's Heisman Trophy, Derrick Henry.
Bam! Gotta work, bro. Go to work. Let's get it. Man, a nigga wake up and I get to that door. Man, these bitches love me, yeah, they loving my flow. Gotta go hard and I gotta play smart and I manage that game something like I'm Brett Favre. I'm going hard, never serving that sauce. Told mama I'ma buy her a new house. Hustling all day like that boy that Rick Ross. Running like fuck when I'm running that talk. My nigga know they ain't never gotta ask. No Reggie Miller, we smoking that gas. Niggas still hate, but a nigga got fans and I came on the scene, everybody love bands. They thought I was trash when I did LeBron James. Thought that shit was gon' give me all the fame. But you know that shit just gave me some pain. Got that purple, I ain't talking about rain. Nigga be flexing, man, nigga be stressing. They tryna fit in, tell me who you impressing. Manage my money, them stocks I'm investing. Go up and down like a banker, just checking. Look up the real and I look up the teachers. I'm getting the deal and ain't looking for features. These niggas faking, they tryna be preachers. Cam, you got bad bitches, but you got creatures. Nigga, you a liar, third like a fire. You thought you was hot, but trust me, I'm so fire. Cam, you a thug, but look at your attire. Got your bitch laughing like I'm Richard Pryor. I'm on my job and I ain't talking shit. Me and my niggas, that money we split. Y'all can't stop me cause they setting good picks. So for them, I gotta keep making his nigga work. Work, work, work. No, you in pain, I know it hurt. Work, work, work. But nigga, you gotta work, work, work. Get on your job and go berserk. Work, work, work. But nigga, you gotta work, work, work. No, you in pain, I know it hurt. Work, work, work. But nigga, you gotta work, work, work. Get on your job and go berserk. Work, work, work. But nigga, you gotta work. Me down the one that was around, telling me I was so lame, just a clown. Used to be smiling, but now they all frown. Mad at a nigga just making it out. Remember I told y'all that we gon' get rich. They started changing, they start having fits. Never I thought that my niggas would switch. I ain't gon' lie, man, that shit got me pissed. I went to work, I was pushing no car, was just flipping my money, just flipping it smart. Thinking to finish, not thinking to start. Been a real nigga, I rap from the heart. But I can see that y'all niggas don't want it. You wanna be famous, but y'all don't condone it. Me and my brothers, we really components. We standing like Mayweather against our opponents. I stepped on that court and then stepped on that field. Just wanna thank God that a nigga still here. Love all my family and I love all my pairs. Used to get booed, now a nigga get chairs. Used to have doubts and a nigga had fears. Switching them lanes, I was switching them gears. Told niggas that it was gonna be my year. My paper back, but my future look clear. Work, 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 work. No, you in pain, I know it hurt.